To begin, ensure your wheelbase is on a flat, sturdy working surface with the wheel facing down. Step 1. Remove the 6 screws from the back of the housing using a small Phillips screwdriver. Rotate the base as needed to access all screws. Step 2. Remove the 6 large screws from the center cap using an Allen key. Step 3. Gently lift the steering wheel away from the base, but be careful as a cable is still connected. Unplug the cable once the wheel is lifted. Step 4. Remove the 4 screws securing the L2, L3, R2 and R3 buttons. Step 5. Remove the 8 screws securing the circuit board to the wheel rim. Step 6. Remove the 2 screws that separate the button housing from the wheel rim. Step 7. Reattach the circuit board to the button housing using the 8 screws you removed. Remember that the smaller black screw secures the secondary circuit board below. Step 8. Remove and replace the shift paddles by taking out these 4 screws, 2 on the left for the left paddle and 2 on the right for the right paddle. Step 9. Reconnect the cable and reinstall the buttons onto the housing. While doing so, pay attention to the switch at the top to ensure it's properly aligned. Step 10. Install your new 811 racing wheel using all 6 screws. Do not over-tighten and do not use a powered screwdriver. When done correctly, all screws should sit flush with the face of the wheel. That's it. You're done. Congratulations on your new wheel. Now get in there and race to win.